Good morning. Happy VCR Day, everyone. Can you believe it's been decades since those bulky tapes were our only way to watch movies? It really takes me back to my childhood. Maya, how are you finding this rather drizzly June morning?
Good morning, Oliver. I actually miss the sound of a VCR tape clicking into place. But yes, the rainy season is in full swing here. The hydrangeas are beautiful, but I'm just hoping for a dry commute for once.
I hear you. Well, to keep our minds off the damp weather, let's dive into some big news today. First up, the government just passed a 3.11 trillion yen supplementary budget.
Wow, that's a huge number. So what exactly is a supplementary budget? I assume it's different from the usual one.
Exactly. It's an additional budget passed to cover extra costs that weren't in the original plan. Think of it as a top-up to handle urgent needs. It's basically a fiscal injection into the economy.
Oh, a fiscal injection. That sounds like a technical term. Is that just a fancy way of saying they're pumping money into the system to help it grow?
You've got it. It's the act of putting money into an economy to stimulate it. The government is doing this to act as a buffer against recent instability.
A buffer, like to soften the blow of the bad economy?
Spot on. A buffer is something that reduces the impact of something negative. This budget is their proactive approach to ensure things stay steady.
Proactive. That's a great word. So they are taking action before things get worse rather than just waiting around, right?
Precisely. It's better to be ahead of the curve than just reacting to problems after they happen.
That makes sense. It's a bit like preparing for the rainy season early so you don't get caught in a storm. Speaking of planning ahead, I saw something about nuclear power plants too.
Right, that's our second story. The government is looking at replacing aging reactors to maintain a stable energy mix. But first, they have to decommission the old ones.
Decommission. Do you mean turning them off permanently? It sounds like a military term.
It does. To decommission something means to take it out of service, especially something complex like a ship or a power plant. It's a long process.
I see. And this is all part of keeping a stable supply of electricity, right?
Exactly. They want a reliable, consistent provision of power for the future. The goal is to keep the energy mix balanced at around 20% for nuclear power.
The energy mix, that's the combination of different sources like solar, wind, and nuclear, correct?
Perfect. It's not about relying on just one thing. It's about having a healthy variety. They want to ensure the installed capacity remains high enough to meet demand.
Installed capacity. Does that just mean the maximum amount of electricity a plant can produce?
Exactly. It's the total potential power output. It's a vital metric for energy security. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's expressions.
Yes, let's do it.
First, supplementary budget.
That's the extra money added to the budget for unexpected costs.
Right. Next, fiscal injection.
That's when the government pumps money into the economy to boost it.
Good. Third, buffer.
Something that protects you or reduces the impact of a problem.
Exactly. Now, decommission.
Taking something like a reactor out of service for good.
Yes. Fifth, energy mix.
The blend of different power sources a country uses.
And finally, installed capacity.
The maximum power a plant is capable of producing. That was a lot, but I feel much smarter now.
You're a natural. Great work today. Stay dry out there and see you next time.